Government has rolled out vaccination programs in many health facilities and centers to ensure majority of the population get protected against the Covid-19. The government expects more Ghanaians to be vaccinated in order to reach herd immunity to the virus. Currently, the Ministry of Health demands proof of vaccination before access to its offices. This means many unvaccinated persons will be denied entry into their workplaces, which will further reduce productivity in the country. The non-denominational believers team, a religious group, claims the mandatory nature of vaccination is against their fundamental human rights to life, respect for private life, and freedom of religion. Evangelist Francis Ewusi is a leading member of the group.
If this one become a force in our society, if I can do this work and I say I won't do it again, then they will eliminate me. So if they eliminate me, it will be very difficult for someone to step in my shoes. So that will bring the economy one by. So people are now, if you don't vaccinate, or if you are not being vaccinated, you can't come here, you can't do here. That will bring the economy down. And assuming now I want to remove all my money from bank, because I've heard that a day will come that they will say you can't go to bank. So if I can't go to bank, that means I have to remove my money right now.
Hundreds of its members held a forum dubbed "Stop the Forced Vaccination," where leaders took turns explaining why the vaccine should not be forced on them. Members held placards with inscriptions, "No forced vaccination, my body, my right. The blood of Jesus is our vaccine," among others.
We disagree!
Prophet Francis Kofi Annan is chairman of the non-denominational believers team.
Nothing can be forced upon the citizens of this nation, because no one can force me to eat. When I visit the hospital and I say, no, I will not take any drugs, it is my will. And that is my power. My will is my power. So, in fact, that is our concern. So we are appealing to them to come back and say no. And if they don't say no, then the action that we are going to take is a demonstration against it.
The group says they are not against the vaccine rollout, but the mandatory nature it poses. Dorcas Alimo is an officer at ECG. She is worried the mandatory vaccination will affect her and the family.
ECG is resuming work officially today, but here I am because circular has been issued that without vaccination card, I can't go to the office. And I'm so worried. I don't want to take the vaccination because of my right to health care. Even the health charter says that when I am sick and I go to the hospital, before the doctor can attend to me and give me any medication, he has to explain for my understanding. And with this vaccination, nobody has explained anything. All that is being said is that it is going to give us protection.
Ghanaians have not had any updates so far as to if the vaccination is working, if it's adversely affecting the people of Ghana, if it needs to be continued, if it needs to be looked at before we haven't had any of such thing.
The Ghana Health Service, however, say the vaccine is safe and advise that all persons be vaccinated. From Kumasi, Emmanuel Osei reporting.